The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Christina, and today I'm going to be doing a video that's part of my series called Cluttered to Clean. I'm trying to become more minimal in my home, so I'm going to be organizing, cleaning, and decluttering my bathroom linen closet. So if you're looking for motivation, continue to watch. First tip in organizing your linen closet is just to take everything that you have inside of it out so that you're able to just lay everything out and go through it and see what's expired, what you no longer need, what's taking up space, how you can rearrange and organize things. I know I share this closet with my husband and I, so he has a lot of his stuff, and then I have a lot of my toiletries and my hair products and my self-care products, but I also store my towels and my sheets. So as you can see here, every time I try to get sheets, it just like falls on top of me. So I just need to get all this organized. So I definitely recommend going through everything and just cleaning it all up so that when you put everything back in, it's clean and decluttered. So my next tip is just to go through every single bin and see exactly like what you no longer need, what you haven't used in the past like few months, the past year, what's expired, and just what's taking up space. As you can see, those bins just like were not good quality. I actually got them from the Dollar Tree, and I love Dollar Tree, but what I don't like about organizing with their bins is when I try to like take out the bins from the closet, they just like wobble and they're just not durable like I would like. So I actually got some new bins for this organization in the linen closet. But what I like to do after I go through everything is just to line up the products that I'm actually going to keep and put them all together in categories so that when I'm ready to place them into the bin, just so like right here, as you can see, I have all my straight hair products there, my curly hair products here, my lotions in the back, and then all my self-care stuff will go in its own bin right there. And these are the baskets that I got for organizing the bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them. These three right here I actually got from HomeSense. This one was $14.99. This one was $14.99. I think they were all $14.99, and then this one was $19.99. And then I actually found these at Kohl's. They were on sale for $10 each, which I thought was a good deal because they're regularly, does it say? It doesn't say how much they are regularly, but they were more regular price. So I'm hoping I could use some of them. I got some of them for like the towels and the others for like my hair stuff and my husband's stuff. So let me see what and which ones I'm going to use. Next tip is to find ways that allows your linens to get its maximum space. So there are different ways that you can fold your towels and your sheets, but the way that I'm going to be folding my towels for this decluttered and organization is in tries and threes. So I decided to do it this way because I just feel like it's going to give me the maximum amount of space for my shelving. So you can do it any which way that works for you. I used to actually roll my towels, and I may actually do that for maybe one or two, but I just found when I rolled them, they just stuck out too much for the dimensions of my actual shelf in the closet. So rolling it doesn't work for me with all my towels, but folding them in threes actually is going to work the best for me. And then I also do that with my hand towels. And then I also recommend actually putting your hand towels in an actual like bin so that you don't see them, because sometimes I feel like my hand towels can like knock over, and it just felt like it looks way more organized when I do that. So I definitely recommend you finding a system that works for you. And also when you put them in the closet, see which setup works best, so that way you could just play around with it and see which way takes up the least amount of space. That I'll never find the one, but you prove me wrong. I think I'm falling in love with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to. What I love about decluttering and organizing to try to become more minimal is I'm actually able to go through all my stuff and see what I actually enjoy using and what I actually have. So it saves me money to not continue to buy things, but also to get rid of, so I don't feel like it's like cluttering and clouding my mind every time I look into my linen closet. It allows me the ability to be able to see the things that I actually can use, like all my self-care stuff that has like all my masks and things like that. So I actually am able to get use of it and it's not just there taking up space. For those of you that buy in bulk, like at Costco, I definitely recommend you taking all the extras and either lining them up nicely in your basket, like I am doing for my husband, because I saw he had like 5 of the same deodorants, and since he doesn't use his closet as regularly as me just to get sheets, I'm actually putting them all lined up. But for me, since I put all my regular prime locations things in this closet, I'm putting all those bulk items underneath my sink so they're out of sight, out of mind, and then when I run out of one of the products, I'll go back and replace it. And then for underneath the bottom part of the closet, underneath the shelves, I'm putting all the items that don't, usually look pretty, like my flat iron, my curling iron, the squeegee, extra like back massager I had, in a really pretty basket so that it's just there. So this is how my linen closet Cluttered to Clean makeover came out. I really love how it came out, and I hope you guys got the motivation for you to be able to clean and declutter your linen closets as well. I really do feel like it's more minimal to me because I know that everything in here now is something that I'm going to be able to use and grab easily. For example, here I have all my sheets and they're no longer tumbling over. All my towels are nicely folded and easy for me and my husband to grab. And then we're able to use these baskets to just store extra things and towels, and all our toiletries are just there and easy to grab. And I also was able to find this little tray that I got from the Dollar Tree to line up all our perfumes and colognes so that they're easy to grab as well. So I hope you guys are able to use these tips and ideas in your linen closets and your homes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.